Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Little Nightmares 3 without errors. I show you guys how to do it. Right now there is only one update available. If you have listed 1, 2, 3 updates, then you just need to update it one by one guys. 1, 2, 3 in a row like that. Right now it is has only one, so I have the update. Just right click on the update and select before doing this, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. Now just minimize this. As you can see, the update version is 17.10.2025. Just right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select extract here option. After the extract done, open, just double click on the application. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes option and select OK and select next and select next and select the browse option, and you just need to select the games folder. I mean the game installed folder, the game folder. Select the game folder and select OK and then select next, and you will get this message already exits. Select the yes option and then select next and select next and then select install option. After the update done, uncheck these both option and select finish. And now just launch the game. And now we successfully updated the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And now close the game. They just need to delete the update files and then open the Windows security we minimized before and turn on the real-time protection. And then just to close stuff here. And now you can play the game whenever you want. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.